I look so crazy. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I'm showing you how to get these voluminous, silky, 5-minute curls that you can do at home with your wand or curling iron. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so step one to your natural everyday waves is to get a curling wand or just a curler that has a barrel, and just go ahead and wrap your hair around it and do not use the clamp on it. I actually have the bedhead hot pink wand right here. I'm pretty sure this is like an inch barrel or a ½ inch. This one actually heats up in a matter of like 2 minutes. It's a really fast heating up one, which is great for the morning times when you're running out the door and you just washed your hair or something like that. So what I do is I just turned it on to heat up, and I'm just going to use this Matrix Total Results Sleek Iron Smoother, which is pretty much a smoother for your hair when you curl your hair or straighten your hair. It also protects your hair from the heat. Now I'm going to focus this more on the ends of my hair. As you can see, my hair is crazy long, and we wanted to protect those ends. We're actually starting out with clean, fresh hair that just air dried for about an hour. It's still a tiny bit damp, but we should be pretty good to use the curling iron. Since my hair is so thick, I'm just going to put my hair in kind of like a half up, half down type of thing. It really doesn't matter what it looks like because we're just curling the hair. So I'm just wrapping it around in a bun since my hair is so long. Putting it up with this scrunchie actually I got from Honeybee Scrunchies. I will definitely leave her Instagram in my description down below. Her scrunchies are so soft. I have a pink one right here. It's so cute and they are so affordable. I would definitely go ahead and check her out. Thank you so much for sending me these. They are so cute. You just want to make sure that your hair is split into 2 different parts. And let's go ahead and get this wave going. I'm going to take like an inch section, something like that. And my hair, as you can see, is crazy long. I'm going to have to either wrap it really tight or start a little lower, something like that, because my hair is so long. But what I do is for my left side, which looks like right on the screen, but I put my wand over, and what I do is I go ahead and just wrap it loosely on the top. My hair is so long, I'm gonna have to like bring it down. Then I just pull it after a few seconds and leave some of the ends out. And then I'm just gonna do that with all of the sections. So let's try this again. Wrapping it loosely on the top. I'm gonna hold it and then I'll slide it down. Then wrap it again and leave the end out. Cute waves. If you don't like the end, you can always recurl it. If you like them like looser waves, I wouldn't put the wraps so close together. I would put them a little farther apart, but my hair is so long I can't really make that happen unless I want to hold it for like 30 seconds, which is not ideal for me. That one was cute. Look at that. My hair is so long, I'm doing it more towards the middle to ends. Let's go ahead and finish most of my head, and I'll be back to do like the top. Okay, so now that we're at the top, all I'm going to do is go ahead and just make a part with my finger, hoping it's straight. It's not. Yay for me. I love that. Okay, so it's like pretty straight. Okay, so now on the top, I'm pretty much just gonna curl like a little more, so it's gonna last. Like I'm gonna have to curl a little longer, so I'll show you. On the top, I just take like 1/2 inch sections so it looks better. So I'm basically curling from the root, leaving it on there for like 5 to 10 seconds, and then sliding it down to where it can curl the rest of my hair, still pulling the end out so it looks more natural. And I'm just gonna keep doing that. Now that we're getting to the front, it's a little more important, so I'm just gonna leave it on there for like an extra 5 seconds, just so I get that extra curl. Because you do want it to stay a little longer than the ones on the bottom, because obviously the top matters more. Okay, so now I'm gonna lift up so you guys can see. It looks crazy, it looks curly, you know, it's like, where are you, curly, wavy? Who knows? So what we're gonna do, I moved the camera back a little bit so I can show you what I do personally. So I either flip my hair over, shake it, or I go ahead and just like move it around. All I do is I flip it and shake. And then flip it up, shake it out, and then you have your voluminous curly waves. Now I just went ahead and I put you guys like over so you guys could see my curls a little better. They're very voluminous, and I would highly recommend you guys try this technique out because it honestly took me like 5 minutes. Not even. And I would definitely recommend it because it definitely lasts a little bit longer, especially if you put hairspray in it. So if you want to, you can put hairspray in it, but I personally don't like putting hairspray in it because my hair starts smelling and then it gets crunchy and I just don't like it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if this helps you in any way possible, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be the comment shout out of the video. And be sure to follow all my socials and my TikTok because I have been posting a lot more over there. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you. Let's go ahead and roll these bloopers. Ow. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Smaller section.